Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you even more awesome finds at Walgreens for this week. If you remember when I posted my video on Sunday, I said it had been a crazy day, so I didn't do as many deals as I was hoping to do. My brain just truly wasn't functioning at 100%, and so I waited and I went back to the store when I was feeling more composed. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some amazing deals. Some are curbside deals, some are in-store deals. I will tell you which ones are which. I also want to talk about the 15,000 subscriber giveaway. Again, I just was not on my game on Sunday to get that out to you guys, so thank you. I can't even begin to tell you how much that means to me. I really appreciate your support, your encouragement, the fact that I'm someone that you want to get information from. That makes me happy. So I'm going to do a giveaway. One winner is going to get a $50 gift card. So go ahead and get entered in this video by liking the video, dropping a comment, and what I want to know is how long have you been following me for? There's not a right or wrong answer, just the honest answer. All the winners are chosen randomly, so if you've been following me for longer, that doesn't give you a better shot of winning because I choose winners randomly. But tell me, have you been following me for a year, 2 years, 2 days, whatever it is? I would love to hear from you guys and see how long you have been around. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and get yourself entered to win the $50 gift card. Starts today. I'll announce the winner next week in my Walmart haul. So I'm going to give you guys just a little bit more than a week to get entered. So that's exciting. And most importantly, know how much I appreciate you and you being here and supporting me and encouraging me. It was really fun to hit 15,000. So hopefully 20 is in my future soon, and we will keep doing giveaways along the way. All right, so let's talk deals. I think I want to tell you about a couple of the curbside deals I did first. So I noticed that the razors, the Schick razors, are on promotion for spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. Now, this is a question I've been getting a lot lately. Hey, I thought curbside orders weren't getting Walgreens cash anymore. So that's not accurate, okay? You can still earn Walgreens cash on curbside orders. You just won't earn register rewards on curbside orders. And any deal that gives you a register reward in store, unfortunately, it shows online as giving Walgreens cash. But if you do that as curbside order, you won't get the Walgreens cash because it's actually a register reward deal. If you did ship to home, you would get the Walgreens cash. So it makes you have to know which deals are true Walgreens cash deals and which ones are actually register reward deals. So I will do even better of letting you know in the videos which ones are true Walgreens cash deals. That way you know if you decide to do them curbside. I always prefer curbside because I just like how it works better and I know what's going to come off. It's just my preference. So the razors are spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. You can absolutely do it curbside pickup. I did. This is how that deal works out. So you want to grab 2 of the Schick Extremes, okay? These are priced at $5.99. There are $4 digitals as well as a $4.50 digital. Then grab one of the Schick Hydro. Again, it doesn't matter which one. As long as it's $8.99, that's going to get you to that $20 spend limit. So 2 at $5.99, 1 at $8.99. I then had a $4 digital for a Schick razor, a $4.50 digital for a Schick razor, and then a $4.50 digital for the Schick Hydro. That left me to pay $7.97, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash from the razor promo, making all 3 razors $2.97 or just 99 cents each. Now, if you also had a digital spend booster, you could do this deal with your spend booster and not only get the $5 in Walgreens cash back for the razor deal, But if you had that spend 20, get 5, you'd get another 5 for that spend booster coupon that you had. I already used my spend booster. That's why I'm not talking to you about it on that deal specifically. Okay, the second order I did, completely curbside. Let me tell you the deals individually. I also used a promotional code on this order, so I'll tell you about that at the end as well. So second curbside order, I grabbed this Bactine Max. It is priced at $10.99. There is a $2 store digital as well as a $2 manufacturer digital. Both of them will apply, leaving you to pay $6.99. Then I submitted my receipt to the Ibotta app where I got $5 back, making my final cost just $1.99. Now, if you are brand new to Ibotta, it's a cashback app. I do have a complete tutorial on it, but grab it using my referral code and you'll score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. So I purchased that. I also picked up the Palmolive and the Fabuloso. These products are on promotion for buy 2, get $3 in Walgreens cash. Yes, you can get Walgreens cash doing this as a curbside deal. Yes, you can pay with Walgreens cash and still get Walgreens cash back. I'm showing you these two different products because they both qualify. The Palmolive is $2.99. The Fabuloso is $2.49. So the cheapest deal would be to get 2 of the Fabulosos because they're the least expensive. Now, my total getting 1 of each was $5.48. I got back $3 in Walgreens cash, making my final cost $2.48 or $1.24 each. Now, I also picked up the Excedrin $4.99 minus the $3 digital. That's $1.99, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, making your final cost just 49 cents. Now, on those items, the Bactine, the Fabuloso, the Palmolive, and then the Excedrin, I used the promo code SENIOR20. So that is a one-time use. So if you've used it, you're not going to be able to use it again, but try the code SENIOR20. That took off an additional $2.89 for me, leaving me to pay $2.07 for all 4 of the items, or just 51 cents per item. Great deal. One other kind of wonky deal that I did online was on these Walgreens Ultra Thin pads. Now, these are just over $5, but there was a $10 digital coupon that was applying to these. Now, I don't think it's intended to apply to this because the picture on the coupon is not what this is. Nonetheless, that coupon did attach, so I was able to get these completely free. Again, that is a curbside deal. This would be curbside only because the coupon would not apply if you tried to do the deal in store because the coupon value is higher than the cost of the item. So now let's talk about the in-store deals, and I want to tell you about these Nature's Bounty Jelly Bean Vitamins. Crazy awesome deal. I had a spend 25, get $7 in Walgreens cash paper booster. Okay, so I picked up 2 of these jelly bean vitamins priced at $13.99 each. That's $27.98. When I checked out, I had 2 $3 digitals that came off. So $6 came off, leaving me to pay $21.98. Now, these are on promo for buy 2, get a $5 register reward. The $5 register reward printed without any issue. I also had them scan that spend 25, get 7 paper booster. So I got $7 back there as well. And there's an Ibotta offer for buy 1, get 1 free. So on Ibotta, I got $14.99 back, making my final cost completely free for both of these and a $5.01 moneymaker. So fantastic deal on these. If you don't have that paper booster, it's still a good deal. But if you have a different booster, of course, you could work these into a scenario for yourself. Now, another in-store deal I did using another paper booster. I used a spend 40, get 9. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about the deals individually because they're still good deals even if you don't have a booster. The booster just made them even better for me. So one deal is on the Irish Spring Body Wash this week. They're $4.99 each. When you buy 2, you will get a $5 register reward. There is a $1 digital coupon. So you'll pay $8.98 at the register. You will get a $5 register reward, making your final cost $3.98 for both or just $1.99 each. I also picked up the Axe and the Dove Men Body Wash because there are shop kick offers on these, as well as they are buy one, get one half off. So in store, my Dove Body Wash was $7.99. I had a $1 digital. The Axe Body Wash was less expensive, so that's the one that rang up at half price at $3.24. After that $1 digital, I paid $10.23. Then I submitted my receipt to Shopkick where I got $6 back, making my final cost $4.23 for both or $2.11 each. Okay, so far I bought the 4 body washes. I also picked up this Mederma for kids. So this is the skin protectant gel for kids. It's expensive. This sucker is $28.99 in store. So that helped me get to that spend $40. Now, there was a $5 store coupon, okay? There was also a $5 manufacturer digital coupon that I had clipped, but on the package, there was a $6 coupon. So since that $6 was better than my $5, I pulled it off the product and I gave them the $6 coupon. Well, when I was looking at my receipt later, I realized that not only did that $6 one come off and the $5 store coupon, that $5 manufacturer digital also glitched and came off. I didn't even realize that had happened. So that made this deal even better than I was expecting. But what should have happened is the $28.99 minus the $5 minus the $6 from the product that I had pulled off. But then that $5 glitched and came off as well, leaving me to pay $12.99. But there is a $10 rebate on Ibotta, making my final cost $2.99. But now when I combine these 4 body washes and this, I had that spend 40, get 9. Okay, so when I combine all of those, I ended up paying $2.20 for all of it, or just 44 cents per item. A deal I forgot to tell you about is on the Baby Ruths. Now, I will warn you, this deal comes and goes quickly, and it's been doing that for over a month now. It's on the Baby Ruth chocolate bars. They are 2 for $2.50. But there's a swag box offer for $3 back on 2, making them both completely free and a 50-cent moneymaker. I would just double check your Swagbucks app while you're in the store and make sure that offer is there, and then go ahead and scan your receipt before you head home because this offer comes and goes very quickly. And if you're brand new to Swagbucks, I do have a full tutorial on that app that will walk you through exactly how to use it. All right, so everything you see here ended up being, where did I write it? $1.73. $1.73 for all of it. Crazy. So your girl is back. I got it together. I got my coffee. I got some peace. Then I went back to Walgreens and I got it together. So there are some more amazing deals over at Walgreens that y'all can check out. If you have questions, don't hesitate to drop them below, but definitely get yourself entered in that giveaway. Let me know how long you've been following me and I will announce the winner next Wednesday in my Walmart haul. Thanks.